What's up, everyone? It is DLX, and today we gotta go fast. Literally, we're playing Sonic Dash, and I freaking hate this game. I just freaking hate it. Remember when I played it on this channel? Yeah, well, I'm playing it again because my channel has a Sonic logo. Peanut larva. I have no idea what I just said either. Just don't judge me. Visit Temple Zone. You right, I shall sure do that if I make it. Alright, come on. Sonic, don't lose your rings. In fact, keep on eating the onion rings. Woohoo! Alright, come on. I need those, baddie daddy rings. Sonic needs these. If I get the 200 rings, I think in the original Sonic game, you get a extra life. Swag. Dang it. And let's go. Ta-da! Moving around at speedy sound. Got places to go. Gotta load my lead. Taking down badniks with ease. I think that's how the song goes. Is this how the song goes? I have no idea how the song goes. But is it how? It should be. Come on, I'm gaining rings. Yeah! Oh, that's a lot of rings down there. I want some rings. I need some onion rings. Alright, I'm making a lot of miles. I like to see that guy I invited last time to do this. We're going to Green Hill Zone now. Swag! Up, down, town. Alright, go. Ah, no, we lost our rings. Ooh, this is something else. I am Green Hill. I might end the video right here, guys. Either way, it might randomly stop. So I'm just gonna say adios, amigos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Wow, that was a long cut. Woohoo! I want to go back to that place. 3, 6, D, no scope. Cowabunga! Alright, let's go. Yeah, I went on the road and with ease. Yeah, let's go. Moving at the speed of sound. Got ourselves a situation. Stuck in a new location without any explanation. You guys watch Sonic X? Leave a comment down below if you watch Sonic X. It's a really good Sonic show. A lot of plot twists. Oh, I thought I hit my head. Time to go underwater. Booyakasha! Rings. I want my onion rings. And ooh, if I defeat the boss on camera, that will make me a hero, because I don't think anyone defeats the boss. Alright. Come on. Yeah! Look at me! Oh, we're still in, this zone. Oh my god, I'm unstoppable right now. Eggman, you think you can stop me now? Look at this. I mean, alright, come on, let's go, Egghead. If I lose, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm not gonna kill myself, I'm just joking. See? I predicted you move. See? I predict your everyday moves. Ah, dang it, I lost my rings. Oh no, I lost my rings. Alright, this is a dodging thing, which is my worst subject in this game. And I also defeated him once, so he's really going at it. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh, come here, you fat little professor. Come on. Oh yeah. Bingo. Ah, come on. This is that's my best friend. Mission complete. Visit Temple Zone. Alright guys, so I think I may end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one. Adios, amigos. Wait, how do I avoid that? Wait, Sonic was flying. Adios, amigos, while I try and figure that out.